Okay, so hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to explain you about some concept, right? Like what is the internet and how internet works. What are the front end and what are the core technology which we have used in front end and what are the tools we have used to make a website. Okay, so let's get started with the first concept. So first concept is what is the internet? Okay, so internet is a nothing but it is a globally internet is a globally accessible. First of all, understand internet is a globally accessible. So basically, suppose if you want to communicate, one computer want to communicate with another computer, which is a way away far from one computer, but want to communicate with another computer, want to share some information with that computer. Okay, so that time we use the internet. Okay, so this is the internet. Internet is globally, and using that internet, we can communicate one computer with another computer. We can share some information with that. So simply, this is the internet. Okay. So the second topic is that how the internet works. So first of all, internet works in a very systematic manner. Okay, it's not happening like we directly go to our machines and access our site, right? So there are some steps. So we'll explain you what are the steps and how the internet works through an examples. Okay, so we'll show you through an diagram. We'll explain you through an diagram. Okay, so so this is our user first. I will draw and drag a diagram and then we'll explain. Okay. So this is okay. This is our user. Okay, my user like this only. And then this is the user machines. This is user. Okay. User user machine. Okay. Then then we have one server here. Don't worry. We'll explain all these things. Okay. Just give me some time to draw this diagram. Okay, so this is the server. Okay, and one more guy is DNS. So DNS. Okay, so okay, start with explaining this diagram. So what happened? Now, how internet works? Okay, so how we can access a website or how any user can access the website. We'll explain you. Okay, so what happened? User uh, connect with their machines. Okay, user go to their machine and access user want to access a flipkart.com. Okay, user want to access a flipkart.com. So www.flipkart.com. Okay, user want to access a flipkart. So what happened when user write this www.flipkart.com, user's machine send one request. Okay, what user machine send one request. Okay, send one request. So what user machine will do? User machine will send the request to DNS. So first understand what is the DNS. DNS is nothing but it is a domain name system. It's a kind of uh, phone book, right? It's a kind of similar things, okay, for websites. So in DNS we can store all the IP address over the internet. We can store in DNS. Okay, so DNS understand for for which IP address is used for what websites. Okay, so our machine will send a request to DNS, and then DNS find the IP address. DNS find the IP address for the flipkart.com site. Okay, and then once the DNS find the IP address, then again send a request to the Flipkart server. Okay, when the Flipkart server will uh, get an IP address from DNS, then it process and then respond. Server will respond to DNS. So server will respond. So server will respond. Okay, server will respond to DNS, and again DNS convert that IP address into www.flipkart.com, and then finally you will get www.flipkart.com site. Okay, so in this way our internet works and we can access any site. So okay, so then coming to our third topic, what is a front end? So anything you can see on website, and you can user can interact it with, or user can see the mm, some content on the website, we can call it as a front end. Okay, so it can be a button, it can be a video, it can be image. Okay, so I will explain through example. Okay, so this is a flipkart.com. Okay. So what is a website or what is a front end? Okay, so this is our front end. Okay, we can see. Okay, user can see. User means I can see this, right? I can see this logo. I can see this search bar. I can this login button, right? I can scroll this page. I can see these images, right? So this is all. This is all. All are a front end. Okay, right? So I think you understand what is a front end. Okay, so I will give you example of Flipkart. Okay, then what are the core technology we have used to make a front end or make any web page? Okay, so basically there are three core technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So what are these technologies? So I will explain you. Okay, so what is a HTML? It's a hypertext markup language. Okay, it's a hypertext. It stands for hypertext markup language. It's not a programming language, it's a markup language. Okay, so using this HTML, we can create a skeleton of our website. Okay, basically, we can create a skeleton or structure. We can say that structure of website. Okay, using a HTML. So for that reason, we use a HTML. Okay, the second thing is we use a CSS. So what is a CSS? The CSS is a cascading style sheet. Okay, so basically using a HTML we can create a structure of our website, and using a CSS we can style our website. Okay, style our site. Okay, using we can style our site and making more beautiful, making more beautiful. For that reason we use a CSS. Okay, and the third thing is most important thing in a front end is a JavaScript. Okay, so to make a more interactive, we use a JavaScript. Okay, we more interactive, and if you want to make a dynamic, so we use a we use JavaScript. Okay, so these are the three core technology which we have used to make any website. Okay, so the next and last topic of our today's video is what are the tools and what are the editors we need to make a website, right? So there is only one editor is enough to make any website or to learn the front-end technology. You just need one editor. It can be any, it can be Sublime Text Editor, it can be another. In my case, I'm using a Visual Studio. Okay, so it's very easy, and from last 3 years I have used this. So, so I'm using this. So, right. So this is my all the concept I have covered. So if this video is helpful, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay. Thank you for watching my video, and bye bye. We'll see you later.